my all. There were times that I had gone astray from the presence of God. There were times that I didn't care the love of God. But His mercy upon me was so sufficient and everlasting each day, and the way He held me. So this song is one such song that I always prefer to sing to reconnect with God all the time. Maybe I'm not singing it in the right way, yet a small try.
Trene